Welcome back to BA Performance. Turns out that the Missile Supra doesn't have any seatbelts. So what we're going to do is try and take the seatbelts out of this chassis here and see if we can make those seatbelts work in that car. Let's see what we need. Okay, it's not going to be super easy. The bolt is here underneath of the vinyl flooring there. And then, of course, the roller upper is back behind there. Alright, this thing here had 2 screws in it. Took that out. I was able to peel this back. And there's a 14 mil down there. You see the seatbelt retractor is kind of like in the panel here, so we're going to take that bottom one out. Alright, the retractor is out. Now we can get this bottom one down here. I got the second seatbelt in now, so both seatbelts are in. I don't know if it cut off where I was working on them, but what I did was drilled a second hole and then everything just bolted in. Alright, this thing has some rust, so I got the Sawzall here so we can cut into this can of tuna. As you can see, the rust is going through this part of the tower here, which probably should be a bit stronger, so I'm going to try and cut this bracket off. And then the rest also goes down this way some. We'll cut out some of the bad stuff, figure out where we can like fit a plate, find a plate, and weld something in here. Alright, we are welded up in the corners now. I'm going to work on putting these glass back in. So they have 3 studs on them. There's some nuts just chilling out in there. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about gluing them because there's quite a bit of glue on there. I stuck this side on already. And there's a big hole in here from the vandalism, so Yeah, so this is the vandalized Supra, you know, nothing's gonna be perfect on it, and we're just gonna try and have some fun, so yeah, we'll get them bolted in. I'm making the taillight housings out of this old half window for like a UTV. We're gonna try the jigsaw this time instead of the grinder, see if we can get a little cleaner cut maybe. Both of the taillights are now in it. These big blank spots are probably a great spot for some stickers. I really like these lights. I think they're pretty cool, especially for just being something I had thrown together real quick. So yeah, now our lights are track legal. We got seatbelts, and our rust is a bit better repaired. You know, I'm not too worried about the tower like collapsing in or the body falling off of the stamped frame part there. Got the windows in on the back here, so that's dope. All we really need now is a front window, and this will be a great muscle car. That's gonna be it for this episode. We'll get to the window and maybe do an exhaust change in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and peace.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.